Hi, I'm Alex. I'm an electrical engineer here at AMS Industrial Controls. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Invertek E3 drive. In addition to unboxing, I'll also cover the technical specifications and setting the parameters on the drive. This Invertek E3 drive has an input voltage rating of 200 to 240 volts AC, 3-phase, and it's rated for 1 horsepower output. Every Invertek drive comes with a full user manual. And here's the drive securely packaged. The OptiDrive E3 from Invertek is an economical, general-purpose VFD that covers a wide range of motor sizes. It is compact, reliable, and easy to use. Its feature set makes it ideal for food and beverage, general automation, material handling, and water and wastewater, and any other straightforward 3-phase motor application. It is available in a wide range of configurations. For single-phase input and 3-phase output, up to 1.5 horsepower on 120 VAC, and up to 5 horsepower on 240 VAC. For 3-phase input, up to 25 horsepower at 240 volts, and up to 50 horsepower at 480 volts. OptiDrive E3 is available in 3 different enclosure variations. IP20 enclosure can be DIN-mounted or flange-mounted inside an enclosure. The IP66 NEMA 4X enclosure for wall mount indoors or outdoors, or lastly, the IP66 NEMA 4X enclosure with a built-in disconnect switch. AMPS Industrial Controls can help you select the best model for your application. The drive features incoming power connections on the top side. On the bottom side of the drive, you have your motor connections. This is set up as a contactor style motor connection where you have your incoming in the top side and your outgoing on the bottom side of the drive. We also have control terminals for external control of the VFD. On the right side of the drive, we have our drive specification label. On the back side of the drive, we have DIN rail mounting available, as well as holes for screw mounting to a panel's backplate. On the front side of the drive, we have the digital display. We have navigation buttons that are used for setting parameters, or if you're in local control mode, we can start, stop the drive, and also adjust the running frequency of the drive. Down here, we have an RJ45 jack. This jack can be used with Invertek's OptiStick. The OptiStick can be used to change drive parameters through Bluetooth connection or an NFC connection. This port can also be used for Modbus RTU communication to the drive, as well as CAN bus communication to the drive. Other communication protocols are optional, such as Ethernet IP and Profinet. Every Invertek E3 drive ships with a quick start guide built into the drive. Simply pull up on this tab at the top, and we can pull out the quick start guide. On the first side, you'll see basic parameters. On the back side, we have diagrams for our control terminal configurations. We can use these guides to quickly commission a VFD in the field. We'll reference our control terminal configuration diagram on our quick start card here. We'll see that our start stop button goes to terminals 1 and 2, and we'll use a 10K ohm potentiometer, which will go to terminals 5, 6, and 7. Here's our start stop switch. This will be motor running. This will be motor stopped. Next, we'll connect our potentiometer. This will be used for motor speed. 0 will be 0 hertz. And then at setting 10 will be 60 hertz. Next step, we'll power up the drive. You'll notice we're in stop mode. Out of the box, the E3 drive is set up for terminal control. So right now we could use our start-stop switch and our potentiometer to run our motor. But first, let me show you around the parameter page. If we press and hold the center navigation button, it'll take us to our group of parameters. There are 14 basic parameters that we can look at, though there are many more extended parameters we can get to if we need them. We can scroll through our parameters by using the up-down arrows. We'll quickly jump to P12. This parameter determines whether we are using our terminals or our keypad to control the VFD. We can view the parameter value by a short press on our navigation button. We have a value of 0 here, which means terminal control. We'll come back to this in just a bit. To confirm the value that we want, we'll press the navigation button one more time. And then to exit the parameter page, we'll press and hold the navigation button. We'll start off by setting our speed at 50%. Next, we'll use our start-stop switch. We'll go ahead and switch the motor on. We can vary the speed using our potentiometer. Then we'll shut the drive off. In order to run the VFD locally, instead of using the control terminals, we'll press and hold the navigation button. We'll navigate to P12. P12 determines whether we're using terminal or keypad control. Press the navigation button. Then we'll change this to a value of 1. This will be keypad controlled with forward only enabled. We'll press and hold the navigation button to return to our normal display. In local keypad mode, we'll go ahead and press the red stop button. This will show us our frequency that we're trying to send to the motor. You'll see we have an H for hertz and then our current hertz value. Let's change this. Now we have it set to 20 hertz. Press the red stop button one more time to go back to our drive status. In this configuration, we're using local keypad mode. So our potentiometer is not going to be doing anything in this case. And our start-stop switch, instead of starting and stopping the drive, this has become a drive enable signal. We'll go ahead and turn this on, and that will enable our drive. Previously, set the speed of the motor to 20 Hertz. Now we can operate the drive using the start and stop buttons right on the keypad. We can also adjust the speed up a bit. We'll hit start again. And now we're running at a higher speed. This has been the product demonstration for the Invertek E3 drive at AMS Industrial Controls. Thanks for watching.